Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Galaxy A14 5G with me, and together we will go ahead and look where we could change our SIM pin. Maybe you forgot your SIM pin, you can't remember it. To change your SIM pin you need to go to your settings, go to security and privacy, and now you need to go to other security settings and go to set up SIM card lock. And now to change SIM pin, now you need to put in your current SIM pin and then put in your new SIM pin. Alright, 1 2 3 4. Alright, retype that and click on OK. SIM pin changed successfully. So now if you restart your phone or put your SIM card in another, I don't know, tablet, phone, whatever else, you need to put in your SIM pin. So that's how you can change your SIM pin on your Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.